So hi, my name is Kailey. I'm a rising senior at Staten Island Technical High School, and my project was creating an Arduino Pong game. So I'm just gonna share my screen and play a little demo video while I explain. Sorry. One second. Sorry, it's being a little difficult. Okay, here we go. So basically, this is a game that's built in processing, but then controlled through external controls, which you can see on the right-hand side of the screen, potentiometers, which are manually controlled resistors, and processing is like a graphic code, like a sketchbook type of code using Java. And so one of my modifications, I have another video, was creating a single player version of this game, where instead of a paddle, it is just a wall on the other side. So, which is this. As you can see, there's only one potentiometer plugged in here. And yeah. So the hardest component to work with for this was the Arduino software. To create this, I had to connect my processing to an Arduino board, which then connected to the potentiometers. And so to communicate with the Arduino board, I had to use Arduino software, which was very new for me. And especially debugging that was really hard. I spent like 2 days working on one line of code. But my favorite aspect of this project was working with processing. It was really fun to learn how to use, and it really mixed, being creative with just like traditional coding. And so I feel like I learned a lot from this project. Like I said, it was my first time ever working with processing or Arduino, and it was also my first time ever working with circuitry, and I feel like I really learned a lot. My instructor was really helpful with the circuitry. First time ever using like a breadboard or an Arduino board or anything like that. And so I picked this project in the beginning because it seemed like a good mix between like hardware and software. And I really want to know like what field of engineering I would like the most. And I feel like I did learn that I enjoy software a little more. And that also like I really kind of need to and love to be creative and like when I'm working with this kind of stuff.
Yeah. So I have a question for you. Yeah. So like, so you created the game. So what software did you use for your game development?
So I used processing. Okay. And then because of the way the processing is built, it allows you to like import other types of code. So I just brought in some Arduino controls.
Okay.